Hey there, Trailblazers, and welcome back to Outside Growth and Development. Today, we're going to deep dive into a crucial yet often overlooked skill, the skill of organizing your thoughts. If you are somebody who's set on growth and success, then this concept is game-changing for you. Before I begin, I have a small request to make. Our analytics shows that 90% of our viewers watch till the end of this video, but they don't subscribe to our channel. If you are enjoying these videos, then please do subscribe. It will help our channel grow and expand. Thank you so much for that. Okay, let's dive in. To begin with, what makes organizing your thoughts so important? You know, in a world that is brimming with distractions, having clarity of thought and some kind of organization in your mind isn't just nice to have, it is essential. It lays the foundation of fostering creativity, of focusing on your ideas, of setting the stage for personal growth and development. But how does one organize their thoughts? Well, let me tell you, I have 3 techniques for you. Technique number 1, mind mapping. This powerful concept not only allows you to get clarity of thought, but it helps you draw connections between seemingly unrelated ideas. Here's how you do it. Start with a central focus and then begin branching out into subtopics. This will allow you to dive deeper into each of these aspects, and the beauty of it is it will mirror your mind. Technique number 2. The Eisenhower matrix. Eisenhower once said, "What is important is seldom urgent, and what is urgent is seldom important." Try prioritizing your thoughts into these 4 categories: urgent and important, important but not urgent, urgent but not important, neither urgent nor important. Can you see just by the names of these categories how using this matrix will support you in sharpening your focus? Technique number 3, journaling. The act of writing your thoughts down not only clears your mind, but creates a personal record for you to reflect on. Daily journaling can help you unveil patterns in your thoughts and help you track your personal growth and development. Now, while these techniques are super powerful and known to bring results, remember it's not a one-size-fits-all. So experiment, try them out, try them at different times of the day, try them out in different depths, and see what works best for you. But let's face it, the path to mastering and organizing your thoughts isn't free of hurdles. Common challenges include mental clutter, inability to focus, and a feeling of overwhelm as though there's too much on your plate. The key to overcoming these obstacles is to start small. Organize your thoughts daily. Pick a dedicated spot for it and a dedicated time. Make use of tools and apps that will support you on this organization journey. Remember, consistency is your ally. Organizing your thoughts is a journey, and one that unfolds differently for everyone. But with the right techniques and a little bit of practice, you'll find yourself navigating through life with ease and clarity. Start today, and remember, it's about progress, not perfection. If today's video sparked a light bulb moment for you, then please do share this video with others who might benefit from it. And don't forget to subscribe to our weekly newsletter, where we share secret tips, tricks, insights, techniques that will support you in your personal and professional growth journey. For more behind-the-scenes content, remember to follow us on Instagram as well. Till next time, keep learning, keep growing, and don't forget, You've got this.